Hey guys, welcome to another one of our live daily trading sessions in the trading room where we show you how we made $559 or 9.6% in 30 minutes. Here we go. All right guys, welcome to our trading session today. We had 11 trades today and we started with a call on pound Aussie. Actually a really interesting session. 11 trades, no third entries, which is really good. Pound Aussie did come off of that support level that we can see on our customized indicators. It's going back down to test that level, but it looks like we're going to get a nice first entry win here. All right, $43 profit on that guy. Yeah, so no third entry trades today, which is actually really clean. It's a higher percentage than average. Pound USD we take for a put at a really good resistance. Comes back up, tests that area. Just hanging around on our money, gets us a little out of the money. We do get a second trade ready just in case. It's fooling around right at that money line. Oh, and we tied that trade. But I really did like this level at this resistance level. So I take a second entry trade size on it and it drops right away into the money, which was nice to see. In the trading room, we like to say it's a good one for the cameras. It does exactly what you want, how you want it. We didn't lose our first entry money, which was nice. So this one gives us actually a really good profit. I think we $113 on that trade. That's good. All right, looking around for the next trade setup. CAD yen, that's always an interesting pair to trade. The yen pairs tend to make big movements and can oftentimes take you for a ride. We also like Euro CAD. We're trading CAD inversely here, meaning these two currencies should be kind of doing the opposite of one another. Neither of them are in the money at this point. Our CAD yen does just get us in the money, but we did lose that first entry, so we took a second entry on CAD yen. It's kind of a quick move there. And we take a second on Euro CAD because we did lose our first entry. And CAD yen is moving against us here as well. Get the third entry ready just in case. But this one's coming back up, 3, 2, 1, and it just slides in the money for a second entry win. That was nice to see. Let's go back over and see how Euro CAD is doing. Much cleaner second entry on that one. So a couple of second entry wins, $100-ish profits. It's good to see. All right. What's next? We take a put on CAD yen again. This time it moves very cleanly off of that resistance level. Guys, remember we do this Monday through Friday in the trading room every morning. We trade live with the community of traders. You can come on and trade with us, take our trades, learn from what we've learned, and make good daily income. Click on the links in the video to figure out more, but we did just win that first entry nicely. Euro CAD, we take a put, and it does again come cleanly off of that resistance level. We've got our own indicators that we've got on an MT4 screen that we're watching constantly with customized settings that are available to you when you join binarymasterclass.com. Nice first entry win. Looking around, what do we want? Pound CAD, first entry put. Took it right at the first sniff of that resistance. It bounces off. We also take Euro CAD for a put because it looks like these CAD pairs are in fact dropping. Got in Euro CAD a little later, so we didn't get as great of an entry spot, but it shouldn't matter. At least it didn't there on the pound CAD. Well, our Euro CAD is pushing through that support level, so that first entry didn't work out so well for us. It's okay. Take our second. It's looking like it's run out of momentum. Would always prefer to get filled at the top of that range instead of the bottom, but it does come up, bounce off our money line, move into the profit. Move cleanly down the range, and wow, gives us a very, very nice second entry win. All right. Gonna take a first entry put on pound USD. Bounces like magic off of that entry level. Moves down well into the money for us, enough where we can look around and take a first on CAD franc. Although no, pound USD is going to make us work, so we've got to take a second entry on that. Didn't expect that. CAD franc comes back down to our money line. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? It is gonna push us to a second. Our second entry on pound USD is a winner. Got to go back up and clean up that other trade now. Back on Euro franc, second entry, or Euro CAD. We decided to take our second on Euro CAD. I think we missed our opportunity on CAD franc, so we take our second entry size on Euro CAD. Launches up into the money. Now let's just see if we can hold it for 20 more seconds. And come on. We won that one for $559 of profit, or 9.6% in just about 30 minutes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to join us in the trading room for our live daily trading sessions, click on the link in the screen or in the description below. If you'd like to see more live trading videos, click on the box right here. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the trading room.